Hi Vera,
What are you doing, Daniel?
I'm cooking.
Oh, why are you cooking now?
Mm,
It is 2 o'clock in the morning.
I am really hungry.
What are you making?
Pizza,
Oh, what type?
cheese, and mushroom.
Oh, that is my favorite. No, I am getting hungry. Let's eat.
Let's go.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
watching.
watching.
Don't
Don't
forget,
forget, like, share, and subscribe. See
See you.
you.